Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing this morning? It is Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve to everybody. Unfortunately, but fortunately, I guess, because I have to work on Christmas Eve. And hey, I just moved into my own place again. And I am blessed by God, by the Most High and Mighty. And hey, I need some more money now. So, I'm about to get ready and go to work. My landlord said that I couldn't have a cat. Guess what? Guess what? I got. And she loved to stay in the bathroom. And I got some mustard yellow towels in my. Didn't have a closet on a door on the closet, so I just took these 3 brand new curtains that I had that go all the way to the floor, and yeah, closet door. Also didn't know when I got my place that it didn't have a refrigerator or a stove, but it's still mine. I love it. This place gave me a lot of curtains and I did stuff with them. They also gave me a deep freezer, so hey, I don't have a big refrigerator, but I do have a deep freezer. Made chicken tacos last night. Had some chocolate chip cookies and some water. Okay, so none of the closets have doors. This organization, and they gave me all these new curtains and different colors and stuff like that. And these curtains, like, they go all the way to the floor. So I just took all 3 of these curtains and made me a makeshift door. Yeah. Thought that was pretty creative. Also didn't know that the kitchen didn't have a stove and a refrigerator, but I got a hotel-sized fridge that my son bought me and a deep freezer that this organization delivered to me. I am humble. Everything will happen in due time. I got my truck. I got my place. You know, my truck needs some work, but we got to do what we got to do. We in here. We in here. More curtains. I also have an electric skillet. I might not have a stove, but I got an electric skillet, an air fryer, a microwave, and yeah. I can do anything with this thing. Water, I drink a lot of water. I got a lot of dishes, coffee maker, and yes, of course, some wine. Peppermint, chocolate, bananas, coffee, tea, iPad, sea moss, and a blender. Love these hand gloves for hot mittens, but according to the organization, I'm a hole-in-one dad, and that's okay with me. I am humbled. More curtains. Took those 3 and just put them here to kind of leave that area open as well. Here's my little refrigerator. My Tupperware, potatoes, garbage bags. I got all these cute little baskets. My son's flowers. My son that passed. And my lemon tree that I grew out of a lemon seed. And this, my son, that's his son, my grandson. And me and my grandson, T, my other son. Handles that I need to put on my pots that I haven't had a chance to do that yet. A blender, cutting board, some honey, some tea, because I love me some tea. This microwave came with instructions just in case you couldn't get the lock off. And yeah, I'm not going to remember all that stuff, so I left it on there. Haha. My grandson, sea moss. My iPad, just in case I want to watch something while I'm in the kitchen cooking, you know, doing my thing. I always take some of these shoes with me to work because I be wanting something to. Anyway, had me some green tea this morning, dishes, blah, 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 blah. I got to get ready to go. But yeah, this is my little living room. Don't have no furniture yet, but I am blessed My roommate gave me his other TV. And I took a tote, covered it up with a throw cover, and made a TV stand. It's another picture of my son. My ring light. There's no light in here. That's the amazing handy heater that you saw on TV. This organization gave me these chairs that were brand new. It's just 2 of them. And I had this little $5 table that I got from the Dollar Tree or something like that. Dollar store or whatever. And I covered it with this satin, like, fitted sheet. And it's pretty good. Yeah, so the tea. It's called a foot tray. Supposed to put your shoes on there when you come in if it was snowy outside. Got me a foot tray. I had to make something to cover that up because that's where you put the air conditioner. The outside covered, but the inside wasn't. I stuffed it with some stuff and stuffed it with some more stuff in boxes and tape and plastic and everything and another throw blanket and bam, there you go. No air getting out of here. One of the books that I'm reading right now, phone holder, incense, a Rudolph a reindeer. That my son bought me this chocolate Hershey's mug with this reindeer. I love it. Some of my glasses. I should wear those today. An African art calendar. I love. I got this from Beauty Supply. And yeah, that's my bed in all its glory. It's big, huh? Air bed, air bed, but a big old air bed, real comfortable. Got its own inflatable pump, a fan, a couple of pairs of heels, a big old hamper that my friend had got me. I couldn't fit it in the closets because the closets don't have doors, so I just put it right here on the side of the air bed. And here is Morena. That is my reborn baby, one of my newer reborn babies. And I like to journal. I'm laying down, and I also like to read the best book ever made, the Bible, baby. Gotta keep the word in your life. Keep the word in your life. And I got it on my bed so I can just grab it and just read it. Over there in that section, I just mainly got like pictures. I got a couple of bags, but mainly right here, I just got pictures of my son. Yeah. My baby. Inside the closet, I have another picture of my son and his urn and the gold chain that I had made with his picture on it. His head pillow from his casket. Yeah. I got it out the way because I don't want my other grandkids to come over here and knock it down. Yeah, so none of the closets have doors. I got some storage containers up there with clean sheets, pillowcases, socks, underwear, and sleepwear. Some Jordans, a couple of pair of other work shoes. All I do is work. A few things. I need more hangers. Yeah, no closet door, but they have something up there like a shower rod thing, so I'm just going to get one of those. And of course, via the organization, I have more curtains. So, yeah, a little greenery. Cool. But yeah, y'all, I got to go because I got to get ready for work. Another African art calendar, my ring light, my big boy power station because y'all know I'm still a nomad. But I just have a place now. And I love it. I'm humble and I thank God for it all. I thank him for it all. I thank him for it all. So anyway, y'all, I gotta go. I just wanted to say hi to y'all this morning and thank the Lord we all here today. And I'm just so happy with how he just been blessing me and just being here with me and for me. And this big old fly got in my apartment yesterday and he big as heck. You saw him? Okay, so yeah, hopefully he'll leave. Hopefully he'll get out because I'm gonna have to kill him if he don't. All right, y'all. See you later. Bye.